Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can make your first $100,000 by the end of 2024. Now the reason why this is possible is simply because Solana is finally starting to pump a little bit again. We can see that the chart is finally starting to just hold up a little bit and it's finally starting to reverse, and a lot of analysts are right now expecting a move all the way back to its old local all-time high, sitting at around a $210 a Solana. And if that happens, it's just so much easier to make money with Solana meme coins. And in this video I'm basically going to show you guys one simple strategy you can simply use in order to get a 10x on literally every single coin. It's going to be extremely easy, and this is the easiest way, in my opinion, to make your first 100k with Solana meme coins. Now before I tell you what the strategy is, I would really appreciate it if you head over to the first link in the description below, because you will need to use a Telegram trading bot in order to buy and sell Solana meme coins. If you use my link, first link in the description below, we both get a little bit on bonus. You get a little bit of a fee reducement, and I also get a small bonus. So go check it out, first link in the description below. It's really important that you use the Telegram trading bot in order to trade Solana meme coins. You don't want to do it on Radium or Jupiter, it's just too slow. I would recommend using a Telegram trading bot, first link in the description below. Now the strategy we are simply going to be using in order to make our first 100k by the end of 2024, which is just 3 or 4 months left, is simply buying old Solana meme coins. Yes, you have heard that right. With old Solana meme coins, I mean meme coins such as Myro, Nubcat, Gummy or Boom, that have all just bottomed out, that have just been going down for the last couple of months, basically ever since Solana just stopped out right here. Ever since Solana topped out right here and just went down, all of these coins also went down. However, we can also of course understand what is going to happen once Solana finally reaches a new local all-time high. These coins will also start to pump back to their old all-time high. However, the cool thing is that if Solana goes back to its old all-time high from here, that's just a 50% pump. But if Myro, for example, gets back to its old all-time high, that's a 400% pump. On Nubcat, that is literally over a 1500% pump. Then we got Gummy. This is going to be insane. It's going to be like a 2700% pump. That's a 27x. And also on Boom, it's going to be an easy 3x. So yeah, clearly this is right now the easiest strategy. We can literally already see right now that they are forming these local bottoms. For example, Myro is forming this double bottom, also perfectly at support. Then we got Nubcat literally also forming this little a bottom. As we can see, it actually looks a little bit like an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Gummy as well, if we just zoom in a little bit. All of these coins are right now making a bottom, and these are at an extremely low market cap. So it means they can pump like crazy. So if you have a couple $1,000 to invest in these meme coins, what you can do is simply divide them between a couple of these old meme coins, maybe like 5 Solana here, 5 there. Just wait till Solana reaches a new all-time high, or at least a local all-time high at $210, and then just cash out. And there's a pretty big chance that you actually start making a lot of money, because these coins will just start going exponentially again. They will go parabolic. Everyone will start FOMOing again, and that's the easiest way to make like a 2, 3, 4 or 5 or maybe even more x's on your money. And that's the easiest way to turn 1k into 10k, 2k into 20k, 10k into 100k. That's literally how I would simply do it. So right now that seems like the easiest way. Definitely because Solana is ready to start going back to a new all-time high. So if you believe in Solana, and if you want to have the perfect hedge against Solana, and with a hedge I mean just a perfect way to gamble basically on Solana, but with higher leverage, without the need of leverage, and there's a much bigger chance of making a lot of money, you can of course just do that using these old Solana meme coins. In the last time we've also seen that these coins have bottomed and then just go absolutely insane. So this is definitely going to happen again. Of course I can't say it for sure, I am saying definitely, but there is of course still a chance this does not happen. But that will probably only not happen if Solana just ends up going down further. So it is really important for this strategy to work that Solana makes a new all-time high, because if we just simply pump a little bit, yes, these coins can go at 2 or 3x, but if we then just reject back down, these coins will also start dumping much more than they went up. So that's a big problem with the strategy. But yeah, if you believe in Solana, then clearly this is the easiest way to just leverage Solana basically without the need of actual leverage. If you don't know, you can literally just find all of these old coins. So maybe you don't really know a lot of old coins. These are just an example. You can of course use other ones. So if you're trying to look for some old coins that launched a couple months back, that are still have a pretty high market cap, that still have an active community, active team, and that are starting to form at the bottom, what you can simply do is go to my YouTube channel. First of all, subscribe, then click on latest and just scroll down. In the past, I've made a lot of review videos, and basically all of these coins are still alive, most of them at least. And what you can simply do is just buy these coins and check these coins out that I made YouTube videos about. For example, Pang is a good one. What you can do is just look at my YouTube channel, see which coins I made videos about, just check if they're still alive, check if they still have an active community team, and if the market cap is at least a little bit high. So for example, Pang, I just saw it on my YouTube channel, totally forgot about it. We can literally see this coin still has a $13 million market cap, 200k volume, which is really good, meaning it's not bad. And it also is clearly forming this double bottom. So the second Solana starts pumping, this will also go absolutely parabolic again to the upside. Now, how do you know if the team is still active? What you can go ahead and do is just head over to Twitter, and we can see it is literally still posting daily over on Twitter, and also the community is still active by looking at the liking ratio. So yeah, clearly this is a pretty easy strategy right now, at least the strategy I am using in order to make some extra money. And if you're doing this good, and if you're a little bit lucky, you can easily make 100k. If you just have a couple $1,000s to invest, you can easily make 100k or more. Now, if you only have a couple $100s to invest, maybe you can make a couple thousand. So that's basically just how it works. So that's my strategy. Just wanted to show you guys this because clearly Solana is starting to pump to the upside again, and I will definitely recommend just looking at meme coins because that is the easiest way right now to make money. And yeah, just using this strategy, it's one of the safest ways as well to making money because you're not betting on any coin to go up. These coins have already proven to go up, and all they need to do is just go up again. So clearly, in my opinion, the best strategy out there right now. I'm not a financial advisor, it could still go down. But yeah, if you learned something from this video, go check out the first link in the description below. Start trading Solana meme coins using that Telegram trading bot. Also like this video, subscribe to my channel. And that being said, I hope I will see you guys in the next crypto meme coin tutorial or review.